Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix location services not working on iPhone and iPad. Let's get started. Open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restriction. Now click on Location Services. Here select Allow Changes. Now go to Back menu, scroll down and click on Privacy. Here click on Location Services. Here make sure that Location Services is enabled. Now click on Maps and select while using the app and turn on Precise Location. Now go to Back menu, scroll down and click on Maps. Here turn on Background App Refresh and Mobile Data. Click on Location Services and make sure that while using the app is selected. So guys, if this method doesn't work, then reset location and privacy settings. For that, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on General. Again scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Here click on Reset Location and Privacy. Enter your passcode. Then click on Reset Settings.